Ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? That's the magic of passive income. This isn't some mystical concept or get-rich-quick scheme. It's a simple idea that involves generating consistent revenue without the need for constant, active involvement. Imagine earning from a venture that requires a solid initial effort but then runs and earns almost on its own. Now, where does YouTube fit in this picture? Well, it's a platform that's teeming with such opportunities. With over 2 billion logged-in users each month, YouTube is a gold mine for those looking to create a stream of passive income. And the best part? You don't need to be a celebrity or an influencer to make it big. So, whether you're dreaming of financial freedom, seeking a side hustle, or simply exploring ways to monetize your passion, YouTube can be your ticket to the world of passive income. So, ready to dive into the world of YouTube for passive income? Stick around. You might be thinking, but I don't want to show my face on camera. No worries. Enter the Faceless YouTube channel. A Faceless YouTube channel, as the name suggests, is a channel where the creator's face is never shown. You might be wondering how this is possible. Well, it's simpler than you think. With the right combination of voiceovers, graphics, animations, and compelling content, you can create an engaging YouTube channel without ever revealing your identity. This is a fantastic option for those who value their privacy but still want to share their passion, expertise, or simply entertain a global audience. You're not alone in this endeavor. There are countless successful faceless YouTube channels out there, covering a wide range of topics, from educational content to gaming and even storytelling. So your lack of on-camera presence doesn't limit your potential to captivate viewers. Faceless YouTube channels can be just as successful, if not more, than traditional channels. Intrigued? Keep listening. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you create a faceless YouTube channel? First and foremost, you need to choose a niche. This is crucial because your niche will guide your content creation, attract a specific audience, and ultimately determine your success. Consider what you're passionate about, what you're knowledgeable in, or what's trending. However, also remember that the more specific your niche, the less competition you'll face. Once you've decided on a niche, it's time to create a channel name. Your channel name should be catchy, yet relevant to your niche. It should be easy to remember and spell. You could use a name generator for inspiration, but remember to make it unique. Now, let's move on to setting up the channel. This might seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple. Start by signing into YouTube with a Google account. Then, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Create a Channel. You'll be prompted to choose a name for your channel. This is where you input the catchy name you've come up with. Next, you'll need to fill out some information about your channel. This includes the channel description, where you'll briefly explain what your channel is about. Make it compelling to draw viewers in. You'll also need to add keywords related to your niche in the advanced settings to help YouTube understand your content and match it with the right audience. Don't forget to customize your channel layout. This may not seem important since you're running a faceless channel, but it helps to create a professional and cohesive look. Add channel art and a logo, even if it's an abstract image or a symbol related to your niche. Lastly, decide on your privacy settings. If you're not ready to publish your channel yet, you can choose to keep it private until you're ready to go public. And there you have it. You've taken the first major steps towards creating your own faceless YouTube channel. So, you've set up your faceless YouTube channel. What's next? Content creation, of course. Creating content might sound daunting, but with AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva, it's a breeze. First off, let's talk about ChatGPT. Imagine having a personal assistant who's always ready to help you write scripts, brainstorm ideas, or even draft emails. That's ChatGPT for you. A language model developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Here's how you can use it for scripting. First, feed it with some context or initial prompts. For instance, if you're creating a video on how to make a perfect cup of coffee, you can start by typing, "Write a script for a video on making a perfect cup of coffee." You'd be surprised at how well it understands your instruction and delivers a near-perfect script. Now, let's move over to Canva. With Canva, Creating visually appealing thumbnails, social media posts, or infographics is as simple as drag and drop. You don't need to be a graphic design wizard to use Canva. It offers a myriad of templates, images, and elements that you can customize to your liking. Here's a quick rundown on how to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Choose the YouTube thumbnail design type from Canva's homepage. Browse through the templates and pick one that resonates with your video's theme. Customize it with your own text, images, or branding elements. Once you're happy with it, simply download it and upload it to your YouTube video. Easy, right? Pairing these two tools can drastically cut down the time and effort you'd normally spend on content creation. ChatGPT takes care of your scripting needs, while Canva handles your visuals. You can focus more on strategizing and less on the nitty-gritty of content creation. Remember, these tools are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other AI tools out there that can help you streamline your content creation process. With AI tools, content creation becomes less of a chore and more of an exciting journey. Ready to embark? Before we wrap up, let's revisit the key points from today's video. Firstly, we delved into the power of passive income, an income stream that requires minimal effort to maintain once it's set up. It's a way to generate revenue 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when you're not actively working. The beauty of passive income is that it can provide financial freedom and flexibility, allowing you to pursue your passions and interests without the constant worry about money. Next, we introduced the concept of faceless YouTube channels. These are channels without a specific personality or face behind them. They're a fantastic way to generate passive income because they don't require you to be in front of the camera, and they can be about virtually any topic you're passionate about. The anonymity provides an opportunity to create multiple channels in various niches, further diversifying your income. We then walked you through the steps to create your own faceless YouTube channel. From brainstorming your channel idea to creating engaging content, optimizing your videos for SEO, and promoting your channel to attract viewers and subscribers. Each step is crucial in building a successful channel and generating a steady stream of passive income. Lastly, we explored how to use AI tools for content creation. Tools like ChatGPT for scripting and Canva for designing thumbnails are not only free, but also incredibly user-friendly. They can significantly ease the content creation process, allowing you to produce high-quality content consistently, even if you're not a professional writer or designer. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge, it's time to take action. Start your faceless YouTube channel today and step into the world of passive income. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, take that step today.